Hello students, trigonometry 8th video. In this video I am explaining some doubts and some typical problems. First one, if tan A equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Once look at the problem again. Tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18 degrees. Cot of A minus 18 degrees. This is the given condition. One more point. They mention 2A is an acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? Angle which less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. From this relation you can need to find out the value of A. Coming to the solution. Given condition tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18. Here what I am doing is convert the trigonometric ratio. We need to cancel the trigonometric ratio because of we are going to find out the value of A. Here we need to cancel the trigonometric ratio, then we can easily find out the value of A. That is tan 2A equal to cot of A minus 18. How can we cancel the terms? LHS and RHS both has the same trigonometric ratio, then you can easily cancel the terms. Now what I done here is tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. This tan converted into cot. Already we know the formula in the previous class. Tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Here in place of theta we are having 2A. Then tan 2A equal to cot of 90 minus 2A. This is the logic should apply here. Next step, in place of tan 2A I applied this formula. I written cot of 90 minus 2A. Already RHS I did not change any, cot of A minus 18. Here both trigonometric ratios are same. Then you can cancel the terms. Then write down the remaining value. What it is? 90 minus 2A equal to A minus 18. Now transpose the terms from LHS to RHS. That means separate the terms. What we are finding out? A value. Then 2A, I transpose 2A to that side, that minus 2A converted into plus 2A. Observe the arrow mark. And minus 18 transpose to this side. Then minus 18 converted into plus 18. Then once observe the step here. 90 minus 18 converted into plus 18 degrees. Minus 2A converted into plus 2A, that is 2A plus A. Now 2A plus A, just I changed the LHS and RHS. What we are finding out, that should be on the left hand side. Answer should be right hand side. So that is why I converted here. 2A plus A equal to 90 degrees plus 18 degrees. That is 2A plus A is 3A and 90 plus 18 equal to 108 degrees. Now we are going to find out the value of A. That is why transpose 3 to this side. 3 into A, 3 converted into, that is converted into division. Then 108 degrees by 3. Then 3 ones are 36 are. That is A equal to 36. Here relation, from this relation we find the value of A. Then the condition, after getting the answer, you should observe this condition whether it satisfied or not. 2a is an acute angle. What is a here? 36 degrees. That means whatever the value is there, you get that 2a that must be less than 90 degrees. Once check here. 2a equal to 36 degrees, then 2a equal to 72 degrees. That is 2 times of 36. Now 2a is an acute angle, that is angle 90. So this is the problem. Very important. And observe the relation and remember the logic. Now next problem. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Given condition is ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then show that we need to find out this proof, that is tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Now solution. In a triangle ABC, the sum of the angles must be equal to 180 degrees. That is a property of triangle. ABC are interior angles. Interior angles are nothing but inside the triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is angle A and angle B. You should write it down while you are writing the classwork. You should mention here like this. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. From this, once observe the answer here. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. A and B, C separated. From ABC, C separated. So here also you should do like that. A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. And transpose C to that side. Why we are transposing C? Because of, according to the answer, we are changing the terms. Now A plus B equal to 180 degrees minus C. Now A plus B. In the answer, we have that LHS side A plus B, and A plus B by 2 is also there. So that is why divide by 2 on both sides. Now the step converted into A plus B by 2 equal to 180 degrees minus C by 2. Now once observe that what we are finding out, A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So I separated here. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 separated. 180 degrees by 2. 2 ones, 2 90s. 90 degrees minus C by 2 as usual I written. Next one, A plus B by 2 and here also A plus B by 2. And here cot C by 2 is there. Cot is there. So now we are going to take the trigonometric ratios. How we are taking the trigonometric ratios is apply tan on both sides. Why we are applying the tan? Here tan is there, so I apply tan on both sides. According to the answer, you need to change the steps here. Now tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Both sides apply tan. This is in the form of tan of 90 minus theta. What is tan of 90 minus theta? Cot theta. Previous problem we discussed about that. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to, in place of tan of 90 minus C by 2, I written cot. In place of theta, C by 2 is there. So tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. This is the method. From this condition, the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. From this condition, we simplified the problem like this. Next one. Next problem. This is the equation oriented problem. Tan of A plus B equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. To conditions given, and here 0 degrees less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees. This is one condition, and a is greater than b, another condition is given. Let's observe here. A plus b must lie between 0 to 90. The sum of a and b values must lies between 0 to 90 degrees. And a must be greater than b. Once go to the solution. Given that tan of a plus b equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b equal to root 3. Tan of a plus b, first condition I taken here, second one separately, and the tan of a plus b, what is the root 3 value in the trigonometric ratio? That is equal to tan 60. Already you know the trigonometric values table, root 3 equal to tan 60, then in place of root 3 I written tan 60. Tan of a plus b equal to tan 60, cancel LHS, cancel tan on both sides, then a plus b equal to 60 degrees. Now here tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, so in place of 1 by root 3 I written tan 30. In trigonometric ratio values table, then 1 by root 3 equal to tan 30. Then it converted into tan of a minus b equal to tan 30, so tan gets cancelled, remaining a minus b equal to 30 degrees. That is a plus b equal to 60 degrees, and that is the assumed it as the equation 1, and a minus b equal to 30 degrees, that is equation 2. Next, that is a second equation, first equation and second equation, and the next solution. Simplify 1 and 2 equations. First equation a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30 is the second equation. Now, according to the substitution method, I am going to simplify the problem here. A minus b equal to 30 degrees. You may do the elimination method also. A minus b equal to 30. Here, I done here a transpose to this side, that is plus c converted into minus c, that is minus b equal to 30 minus c, and here multiply with the minus sign, then it converted into plus b, minus b converted minus into minus plus, here minus into plus minus, and here minus into minus plus. After multiplying with the minus sign, then you can get the equation like that. Next one, b equal to, it converted into, it changed as b equal to a minus 30 degrees. Here I got a b value, b equal to what? A minus 30. Next step is substitute the b value in the equation 1. So what is the equation 1 here? A plus b equal to 30. I modified a minus b, second equation. After modifying, after finding out one value, one variable value, substitute that variable value in first equation, then you can get the variable, another two variable values. Once check that. Substitute b equal to a minus 30 degrees in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus b equal to 60 degrees. Substitute here in place of b is a minus 30 degrees, that is in place of b is nothing but in place of b this is a plus b equal to 60, in place of b I substituted a minus 30 degrees equal to 60. Now a plus a equal to what? 2a minus 30 equal to 60 degrees. Next one, transpose minus 30 to that side, that converted into plus 30, minus 30 to plus 30. Then 2a equal to 60 plus 30 degrees, that 2a equal to what? 60 plus 30 is 90, and after dividing it by 2, then a equal to 45 degrees. Substitute this a value. Substitute this a value in this equation, in this one, b equal to a minus 30. So that is b equal to a is 45, so 45 written here, and minus 30, b equal to a minus 30, 45 minus 30 is b equal to 15 degrees. A value 45 and b value 15 degrees. Now observe the conditions what has given in the problem, that is a plus b must lies between 0 and 90. According to this condition, 0 degrees less than a plus b less than 90 degrees. That is, if you add a and b, 45 plus 15, that is 60. That 60 lies between 0 to 90. So first condition has satisfied. Next one, a must greater than b. A is what? 45. B is 15 degrees. A is greater than B. 45 is greater than 15. So second condition also satisfied. So this is the problem and very, very important. Practice it. Okay, thank you students.